Hello everyone, welcome back. For today's recipe is what we call banana overload chocolate pudding. What is the difference between pudding and dessert? To make it simple, the difference between dessert and pudding is that a dessert is more sweeter and more sophisticated, while pudding is both sweet and savory. You want to try this recipe? Here's how. We need to prepare 1 can of 390 grams ube condensed milk, then 8 to 10 pieces of overload chocolate bars. We also have 3 eggs and 5 ripe bananas. So this time we're gonna cut our overload bars into halves. Then we're going to place it at the bottom of our glass container. If you want, you can wear gloves po dahil medyo malagkit po ang ating chocolates. Kung ayaw nyo naman po ay pwede pong magkamay na lang. But make sure lang po na malinis po ang inyong kamay or maghugas po muna ng kamay ng mabuti before po humawak ng pagkain. Now, let's crack an egg. Tapos po, beat nyo lang po ito ng maayos until well blended. In a pan, pour in our ube condensed milk, then cook it under low heat fire. So yan, sisimutin lang po natin ito ha, at sayang naman po yung matitira. Ayan, as you see, medyo nagiging bubbly na po yung ating ube condensed milk. Ayan, di ba? So, haluin lang po natin to ng mabuti. Then, we're gonna turn off lang po yung ating fire. Huwag niyo po palang kalilimutan na i-turn off po yung fire, ha? Dahil this time, ilalagay po natin yung ating 3 eggs. Kapag nakalimutan nyo po kasing i-turn off yung fire, possible po kasi na mamuo-muo yung ating egg. So, hindi po natin makukuha yung desired po natin na consistency na maging malapot po yung ating milk. Pag nahalo na po natin ng mabuti yung ating mixture ng ating ube condensed milk and egg, we're gonna turn on na po ulit yung ating fire. So, under low heat pa rin po ha. And continue stirring lang po hanggang makuha po natin ang ganitong consistency ng ating mixture. And now, we're gonna transfer it into a deep bowl. Then, set aside lang po muna. So now, we're gonna peel our banana. Tapos, slice na po natin ito. So, not so thick po ha, and not so thin. So, tamang slice lang po. For the first layer, we're gonna place the sliced overload chocolate bars into our glass container. And kailangan no spaces between po. At this time, we're gonna pour in and spread na po natin yung mixture po natin dito po sa top po ng ating overload chocolate bars. Tapos po, i-layer na po natin yung ating ripe bananas. And for the second layer po, just do the same process lang po sa ginawa natin kanina hanggang sa matapos po itong second layer. For the final touch, ayan, ilalagay na po natin yung kalahati po ng ating overload chocolate bars sa top. So, meron na po siyang design, di ba? Tapos, hindi pa po kayo mahirapan mag-slice dyan dahil meron na po siyang borderline or pinaka-outline niya sa pag-slice ng ating pudding. So, make sure lang po to cover them completely. So, once it is done, put it in the fridge for a couple of hours and enjoy! So guys, this is my own recipe snack. It is so quick and super easy, yet with the touch of healthy banana with a different flavor. So guys, this is my own recipe snack. It is so quick and so easy, yet with a touch of a healthy banana, it makes a different flavor. there you go. Our banana overload chocolate pudding is already done. Sana po ay nagustuhan niyo po ang ating snack for today. If you like this recipe, just like this video. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more recipes. Ito po ang muli si Morna Hermosilian na nagsasabing ang mga bagay-bagay ay napag-aaralan yan. Basta't may tiyaga ka lang. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you again on my next video. Bye! Thank you.